Hey everyone, it's Kyle of Prolux and welcome to part one of our three-part series where we dive into everything you need to know about our brand new Prolux Phantom upright vacuum. In this first video, we're going to unbox the unit and take a look inside so you guys know exactly what to get when you get yours. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox the Phantom upright vacuum. So it all came out in one nice piece. So let's start at the top. And by the way, I opened it at the bottom. If you're opening at the top, the first thing you would see is the owner's manual, followed by a mini turbo. And then here we have the main handle. And then we have a duster brush. Alright, now that we have it unboxed, quickly go over again what's inside the box. In the next video, I will show you guys how to assemble it, and then go over some specs, and then how to briefly use it. So again, duster brush, mini turbo, main handle, the owner's manual, and then the main vacuum unit. And then on the vacuum unit itself, you have a wand, and then you have a slot on the tool caddy for the duster brush. So that's gonna be it for part one of our three-part series. And then like I mentioned in part two, we will assemble the vacuum, go over some specs, and then briefly how to use it. So I'll see you guys in the next part.